my diamonds make it hurt.
Hello guys, it's a paper 2020 October November paper 3. Here in this we are going to do data analysis, that's Excel part of this paper. And about evidence document, we have to create our own evidence document there. Just open one document and just give your details in the header of 3 columns and save it with more your details as well along with the name. Just like this is an example. Okay, so this is about evidence document. Now let's go to Excel part. Here's the one, data analysis task 3. You're going to perform some calculations using the income and expenditure of this company over a 12-month period, 1 year. All currency values must be in dollars to 2 decimal places. So dollars is the default one, default currency, and even the 2 decimal places also default. It's up to us, automatic it is. Fine. So open and examine the file N20 year end CSV in a spreadsheet package. Okay, and place the text edited by followed by space, and it goes to, I guess, a header. Aligned in the header, yes. So what all, we have to open the file and then we have to type in there towards the right aligned. Okay, the right align, edited by space, your name, center number, candidate number, and then a space followed by on, followed by space and today's automated date. Okay, and save this Excel sheet as a spreadsheet. Fine, and see even the saving name, it should be this. Fine, first center number, then candidate number. Okay, now just go to the folder over here. See, this is the one we have to open. This is the one we have to open. Select, right click, open with Excel. This is a file. In this, have a look at the file. Okay, in this, what we are supposed to do, we have to get the header of it. Okay, for that, just view page layout. Here is the one. Okay, we'll type in there edited on space, no, edited by, I guess, edited by, we have to type in our details, then candidate number. Okay, then give a space on, then we have to get the current automated date. Here is the current date after a space. Okay, press enter. Just click outside otherwise. Okay, now we have to save this file. Let me go back to the normal view. Save. Yeah, we're going to save that. We're going to save it in the paper 3 itself. We're going to save that paper 3, but we have to save it as Excel workbook. Okay, now let me just go back to the normal view of it. This is the one. Let's come to the question. Oh, we have to save as something, right? With a name and all. Save as paper 3. Here just underscore center number underscore candidate number. Okay, save. Now this next question 14 is done. Insert two new rows at the top of the spreadsheet. Merge cells A1 to M1. In this merged cell, place the text. This also we have to add. First, we'll add two new records to it. Okay, about this, right? So select this and go home. Then insert row, another row. Okay. Now the first one from A1 to M1, we have to merge them. A1 to M1 L K L M M till here. Okay, home, merge and center. Now here we are going to type in. We're going to type in some text. What's the text? Oldie worldy gardens something. Okay, here. Oldie worldy gardens. Income and expenditure. Okay, this is done. Now what else we have to do? Format this spreadsheet to look like this. I see, look at this. How's it? If you come to the first row, it's a black background, white text, and there is a space. Second row is totally space, and the rest we have to just format like this. Okay, let's do that fast. Select it. We have to even increase the size of the font to something 20, 22, and then we can change the font. Can we change the font to Microsoft Sans? Fine. Okay, then change the color to white, then the background color to black. Okay, this part is done. Now about this. Okay, what till where? Till E. I have to just merge the cells from B to E. Income should be merged up till here. Fine. Then just go and merge, and background is something gray color, right? And the foreground is black. Foreground is black. And just can we increase the size to a bit 14 like? Oh, okay, fine. Now just what else? Here this F is squeezed up totally. Look at this F. Yes, this is F. It's squeezed up. We'll also do that. And G to J. G to J we have to merge. This, let's squeeze this up. Fine. Now G to J. Fine. Home, merge and center. Background is this. Then we'll increase to 14. Okay, clear. Now what else? I guess we have to squeeze even this. K we have to squeeze, and L and M together. Okay, K squeeze like this. This is to be merged up. Fine, and let's make it 12. No, it's 14, right? It's a 14 altogether, 14, and background is gray. Okay, this part is done. Okay, now what's next? This all, yeah, the grid lines are seen there, right? The grid lines are seen, and this is towards right align. Text is always right align in Excel. Left align, numbers are right align, sorry. So they want this to be the right align. Okay, right align, and we have to add what? The lines. Okay, let's add the lines to all the lines. Home, borders, where is that? Here are the borders and all borders. Okay, okay, and here I have to just dense. Fine. What else we have to do? It's looking exactly right. Bold and all we can make. I'll just make all the headings bold. Okay, this all first, all this first, bold, oh sorry, this also bold, then this all as well bold, okay, and this also bold. Okay, this is done. Save the work. Format the merged cell A1 to M1 to contain white 24. Okay, it's given there. Yeah, 24 it is. Let's change that to 24. How much we took here? Oh, 22 we took. Okay, let's make it 24. That's it. Next, format only the merged cells in row 3 to contain black text 18 points high and have a light gray background 18. Okay, they wanted 18. How much we took? It's only 12, I guess. 18 will be so much big. Okay, I'll select all together by just pressing Control key. Select one, select and select. Okay, this also. Now go home. Here you have to select 18. Okay, they don't want any, just the bold, remove the bold. Okay, now uh, that's it. Okay, next. In cell E5, use a function to calculate the total income for January. E5, where is E5? E5, total income for the January month. Income, from where we are getting the income? Yes, summing of all here. Uh, B, this all incomes only, right? See the income. Okay, now equal to sum, open bracket, and all these we have to select B1 to B5, sorry, B5 to D5. Okay, this is done. Now what else? In cell J5, use a function to calculate the total expenditure for January. This one. Expenditure in J5. Where is J5? This is J5. Okay, again, equal to sum uh, for this expenditure. Expenditures are from here to here. Okay, G5 to I5. Okay, clear? These two are done. In cell L5, calculate the profit for January. How the profit is calculated? Profit is equal to income minus expenditure. In cell L5, where is L5? This is L5, right? So even the formula is also given, equal to total income minus expenditure. Okay, total income minus expenditure. Okay, this is done. Save once. 18 is also done. In cell M5, display the text profit if the profit for this month is greater than or equal to 0. If the profit is less than 0, display the text loss. So profit or loss we have to display. Based on what? Based on the profit. Fine. Based on the profit that we did just in about here L5. So we're going to use what? We're going to use if condition, right? We'll use if statement for this. So equal to if, open bracket, if L 5, this one, profit, it's compared with 0, right? If you see there, if it's more than 0 or if it's more than or equal to 0, equal to 0 also, it's a profit. If the profit is less than 0, then only it's loss. Okay, if L5 is less than 0, I'll use like this. Fine. That means it is equal to 0, it can be, or it can be more than 0. Yes. So display profit in double quotes, or else it should be loss. Close the bracket. Enter. If it's less than 0, sorry, it's the other way around we have to do. If it's more than, it's more than or equal to 0, more than or equal to 0, else we have to interchange that profit and loss order. Okay, this is done. Format the cells to have a black text on a red background if the cell displays the text loss. Yeah, whenever it displays the what's that, loss, it has to show in red color cell. Okay, and format this cell to have a white text on a black background if the cell displays the text profit.